Hey everybody, this is Ryan, and I'm going to give you a quick overview and a review of this here hand fan. They might be like, what is he talking about? Oh man, you're in for a treat. So first and foremost, full disclosure, this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you please give us one of your detailed reviews? We'll send you one of our hand fans for you. Who am I to say no? I like to give a good, honest review. That's what I'm here to do. But in no way whatsoever will my opinion be influenced because this was sent to me for free. So check this out. So first and foremost, it is black. It does say hand fan. It is the inventor of the hand fan water bottle. So yes, you might have been like, oh, that's what he's getting at. So can you just imagine having a fan hooked to your water bottle that's kind of incognito style? It's hidden, it's nice, it's secure, but it's there just in case. So you're at a game, it's hot, you're sweating, you're wherever you are. Maybe you're at a music park, a festival, or somewhere where you're allowed to bring in a bottle, of course. And you're like, man, it is steaming out here. I could use a nice, cool breeze of a fan. Well, that is what comes in this. Pretty cool stuff. So what all do you get? You get this thing here. You have the top. You get the straw. That goes in there. This opens up, and there's your fan. I'm going to give you a little overview here real quick. Just want to show what all comes with it. You have a USB-C to USB charger. That goes in the side of the fan, right there. This goes in there. It doesn't come with one of those little power block brick thingies, whatever they're called, but you know what to do with this. You plug it in and then you can charge it. It does come with one of these. This is for cleaning this out because, you know, got to keep that clean. And it also comes, oh, check this out. It comes with if you just want to use the water bottle, you have a sealed just this. So if you're like, you know what, for whatever reason, I don't need the whole thing, you can just go to just having this on here as a water bottle. All right, now where's the magic happening on this? And the reason I say that is because I've never seen anything like this before in my entire life. So it is kind of cool to see firsthand in front of my face. So how this works is you assemble it and you screw it down, and then you'll have this top part. I'm gonna pull it apart. So you have this part right here, okay? Looks like that. So it screws down on there like that. There you go, and your water's in there. All right. The inside, I will say, looks like it's all stainless steel. It's insulated. So if you put a nice frosty beverage in there, I would assume water, it's going to keep it nice and chilly because it is almost like a thermos looking thing in there. It does also come with a travel handle. It is a rubber material. It's got a little slight stretch to it. Looks to be pretty solid. Construction, I didn't look like it's going anywhere. All right, that's all well and fine. But what's so special about this? So on here you have your water bottle, and then you take this, you can leave this on, and then this flips out like this. You can see that, flips out like that. All right, and then when you spin it, you can turn it like that, and it closes it. Okay, so you got some convenient features in there. You open it up, pull it out, and then there's your waddle. Now you can push it down in like that, or you can pull it up and then you would twist it and it closes it. Kind of cool, kind of cool. So open it up. That's where you would get your liquid refreshment, sucking on this thing right here, and that's cool. Like a typical thermos water bottle type thing. That's all fine. Well, you close that off, then you take the top off. It looks like this. Now you have a fan that flips up like this. So you could be sitting here drinking on the old water, and then you have this fan that you turn on right here. You have 1, 2, and 3. It's quite the breezy, if you know what I'm talking about. Very, it's like surprisingly fast. That's cool. Another cool feature that I just kind of figured out by accident, because you know I don't like to read instructions, is when you close this, it automatically will turn it off and it goes right back on. So you can turn off the speed sensor here, on or off. You can say I want 1, 2, 3 as far as the speed's concerned, or you're like, I like it on full blast. Every time I want this, I want it to be on full blast. You turn it like that, it shuts it off. You go, let's say you're playing sports, you're playing basketball, you're doing whatever it is, you go out and take a break, come back, you just pull it right up, boom, goes straight to full speed ahead. It's giving you that air on there. That's cool. It also has some indicator lights on there that kind of tell you the 25, 50, 75, and 100% as far as charging is concerned. So you know if you're getting close to the battery running out. This right there, as you can see, is at 50%. Yeah, 50% right there is the charge on there. So this is all really cool. Now you might be thinking from a cleaning standpoint, how do you take care of this? Another cool benefit about this that I was thinking, this is going to get nasty, it's going to get dirty. How do you keep it clean? It's going to be a big pain. You know what? This actually can just be cleaned underwater. Now, there's some specifics that go in the instructions as far as what to use and not to use to clean it, but it pretty much just says you can just use water on this to clean it. I probably, because it is a motor, and it doesn't say not to do this, I don't think, would have it running while you're doing that, but you can definitely run this underwater. It does say don't submerge it when you're cleaning it. But so if you're worried about how do you keep all this stuff clean, especially if you might be out and about doing something that's kind of dirty, can you clean this? Yes, you can. This is all kind of waterproof, not necessarily water submersible, like leave it under there and all that fun stuff. So if you are looking for a thermos water bottle type thing that has a feature like this that you can keep yourself extra chilly with the fan, this just might be the fan for you. I think it's pretty cool. Talk to you soon.